guys, this is Kavya from Edureka presenting How to Learn Digital Marketing. At first, let's have a look at the agenda. We'll start with what is digital marketing, followed by the branches in digital marketing. We'll then see how are you to learn digital marketing and the steps in learning digital marketing. We shall conclude the session with the advantages of learning digital marketing. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Edureka YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Also, if you are interested in online training certification, do check out the link given in the description. Now let's have a look at what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a form of marketing done on digital devices such as mobile phones, computers, and tablets using platforms such as search engines, websites, emails, social media, and mobile application to help the marketer to reach greater audience with lesser expenses. Digital marketing is huge. It comprises of various branches within itself. The six main branches among them are content marketing, where the quality of your content is most crucial. SEO or search engine optimization, PPC or pay-per-click, affiliate marketing where another platform is paid to promote your work, social media marketing using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc., and email marketing. With the broad prospect and various branches existing, you need to know how to learn digital marketing. Jane was aspiring to learn digital marketing. She's enthusiastic about web development, so she thought of starting off by making a website. Once it was ready, she realized that it didn't look appealing. So then she started learning design. But even after making her website very appealing, she was not able to reach a large audience. So then she started learning about SEO. Now getting a hand in digital marketing, she wanted to promote her content further. Hence, she started learning about social media marketing. She then found out about the various algorithms used in social media platform for targeting audience. To overcome the algorithms, she then discovered and started learning about email marketing. So you see, Jane learned as she practiced and is now a successful digital marketer. Now, with Jane's success story, let's have a look at the steps to take in learning digital marketing to build your success story. Digital marketing is very wide. Once one starts, they might get lost in the wide pool of options. But trying to learn everything at once is a wrong approach. Take into account all the branches and consider your interests. For beginners, I suggest you start with SEO. Now that you know that you are supposed to start with one particular branch, next you need to decide on the strategy and tactics you are going to implement. At first, you need to pick your strategy. Now that you know that you are supposed to start with one particular branch, next you need to decide on the strategy and tactics you are going to implement. At first, you need to pick your strategy. These are the big picture stuff where you want to focus your efforts first because this is the foundation where all your future marketing tools and softwares are going to be built on. If you get this wrong, nothing else will work. There are many different strategies and methods to digital marketing, but I suggest you take into account the core four to determine your strategy. First, you need to pick your model. This is about what business you are promoting or what service is available. With that, also determine what package or price to set based on what's profitable and in demand. Next, know your market, that is the people you are going to serve. Focus on the ideal customer base, taking into account their demographic, geographic, and psychographic details. Next is the message. When marketing, you need to connect with customer and their problems and deliver how your model helps solve their issue. For this, you need to understand the market. Chat with customers to figure out your message. And finally, the media. This is the center of digital marketing. This is where you are going to do your marketing, such as through Facebook ads, Google ads, or anything else. A lot of people make the mistake of starting with the media, like when they hear about, let's say, Instagram ads or so. But without figuring out your model or knowing your market, don't start with this. Go in the right order and pick your media based on your ideal target market. So once you have figured all the major stuff, move to the tactics. Tactics define how you are going to execute the strategy. These are the actionable steps to take, such as what frequency to post in, or what kind of content to post, or the level of consistency that you are going to maintain. A tactical question would be, what's the best time to post on social media? Whereas a strategic question would be, which social media platform should we post on? You now know about the strategy and tactics. If you are new to digital marketing, SEO is a good way to start off with. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving the quality and quantity of traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. It can be broadly classified in three categories. Technical SEO comprises of anything technical undertaken to improve search rankings. On-page SEO can be anything on your web pages such as blogs, product copy, web copy, etc. And off-page SEO is anything which happens away from your website that helps with your SEO strategy, such as backlinks. Next, have an understanding of organic and paid content. Organic content is what you create for free, such as an Instagram ad or Facebook ad or YouTube video. I wouldn't call it free content because you put effort or maybe money to put it forward. It is simply organic because you are not paying to promote it. Paid marketing is to distribute through media by paying them. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or YouTube ads are examples. Organic content shows up in the news feeds of the people who are following you. Organic is free to promote, but limited in reach. And paid content costs money, of course, but reaches a lot of people and also ideal people quickly. Hence, select your content based on your resources. Once you have your content, get acquainted to free tools. You do not want to start with digital marketing and go in debt already. Hence, familiarity with tools such as Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Canva, or SEMrush, among others, comes handy. As you go on, eventually you can learn about the paid tools too. Next, let's have an understanding of direct response and brand awareness. Direct response marketing is direct in its goal to get response. You can create a piece of content and you're focused on getting an immediate and tangible return like a sale, a phone call, or subscription. For example, run a Google ad and expect to generate a lead. This is easy to track and measure. Whereas brand awareness is long term. It's about building trust and authority and brand name in the market. It's harder to quantify. Branding is useful to build sustainable business. For your business, you can use a mix of both. But be careful, don't conduct brand awareness marketing and expect direct response. Have a good understanding of each. Once you have learned enough about a certain branch, it's time to start executing. Theoretical learning is not an ideal approach to digital marketing. You need to execute it on action. For instance, you may help out your friend with an existing business or apply for an internship. Freelancing as digital marketer is also a good option. Once you are well versed and experienced in a particular branch, it's time for you to move to other branches such as video marketing, website optimization, social media, or email marketing. There is no set order for the branches, it's all up to your own interest. Still confused if you should learn digital marketing? Let's see why it's better than traditional marketing. First of all, digital marketing helps you reach a much larger audience. Not only is your audience larger, but also more targeted and ideal. It's cost effective compared to, let's say, putting up an ad on the TV. And you receive immediate feedback for your work, which makes it easier to track the result. So go ahead and start learning digital marketing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Happy learning!
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!